Yeah, no, the car's moving on its own now.
How?
It's in neutral and it's on wheels.
Oh, that's
Yep. So now we're getting it washed. Yep. So it'd be like if you imagine I put you on top of the roof, you could take like a shower.
But also, just say what happens if this misfunctions too.
Oh boy, then we'd be trapped inside.
But we would keep our car clean.
True.
Unless we leave our windows open.
Oh, we don't want to do that.
I feel like I got it open.
Cool, I'll put the air freshener on in a second. Alright, we're getting another soap treatment.
Oh, Billy, look at my window. Billy, that one on the side, on the left side, is cooler than this.
Well, now the blowers are taking a lot of the water.
Cool. Right?
Yeah, it's getting there. Get all the junk, everything off the car.